Welcome back, Marco here. Today we look at the million token airdrop, which means actually free million token that will be distributed randomly, and also the reasons why I'm still incredibly bullish on this project that any other project do not have. So let's dive straight into it. Now, this is the airdrop that was actually announced by tech lead himself. Obviously, he's the one with the biggest reach. And so the way it works is basically you click on this link, which is basically this one that you have on the screen, and you go through these basically tasks to do. So you join the Discord group, and then you join the other groups, and you visit tech lead, and you do everything. And all of these are chances for you to get extracted and actually win free million token. And by the way, if you want to hop directly on that site to enter the competition, just use the first link in the description below, and this way you'll just get there. And the reason why I'm so excited about million token is not about just airdrops. That's basically normal for many cryptocurrencies. The reasons are very important, and I'm gonna walk you through them just now. But just please remember that I make these kind of videos on a regular basis because I really like million token, and so that you're always up to date on all the news. Now, one reason why I really like million token is because they really deliver what they're promising. So at the moment they were working on having a bridge million token on the Binance network, and that happened. So as you can see, you click now on this link and it basically sends you on this page. So it's very simple. You click here and you type million token, and you can go million or you can go I think would be better. So you click on it, and then you see that automatically you are able, by the way, I'm connected with my wallet, so this is why I can see the amount of million token I have in my portfolio, and you can potentially just change it and send it to the Binance network. This is what it's basically used for, and why one of the reasons why I'm incredibly bullish, because what's going to happen later on is that we're gonna be listed on Binance. All of this is to get more people on board with this project, and the reason why I am so bullish is because the whole team is so good at delivering what they are promising. In this case is, first of all, the Binance bridge, and now they're gonna actually even deliver the Binance actually listing. That is something that always leads to a price increase, and it's not even just one reason why I really believe that this project might take off. And look, these are the results of having the Binance bridge. First crypto on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is only for Binance network. So in this case, first crypto there with 20% gains, and it's actually very good. Like, it's something that many tokens aspire to achieve. I think the next thing now going forward, and it's another reason why I'm incredibly bullish on this token, is because it's gonna get trending on CoinMarketCap very soon. I am sure of that. And then once it gets that level of attention, that will also lead to more collab with tech lead and maybe other big YouTubers like Graham Stephan, or maybe even Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin is busy now, maybe not him, but definitely that is going to happen. And not only that, there are more things that make me incredibly bullish on this token. For example, the fact that it's incredibly clear what this token is. It's an investment, yes, obviously it is, because you can put money in it, but it's basically totally community driven, and okay, people make money out of it, and it will have an utility. It's not sure what is going to be yet, but you really understand that the community is the driving force of this token, and that is why I am incredibly bullish. Other tokens promise incredible things and then don't deliver. In this case, you know what you're buying, and this is again another reason why I'm incredibly bullish on million token, because it's a fact that, for example, Ethereum is actually way more inflationary than even Dogecoin, and actually both these tokens, again, they're actually good cryptocurrencies because they are very big, but they are inflationary, whereas million token has got a fixed amount which has already been mined, so you don't even have to use energy to produce more of this, like Bitcoin, for example. And so this has got the best of basically Bitcoin, the best of Dogecoin as well. So this is something that is quite remarkable for million token, and another reason why I am incredibly bullish. And so this begs for a question: is it a good time to buy million token or not? Let's have a look at the chart. And so as you can see, at the time of recording, million token is down, a little bit down, so it obviously changes by the minute. It's a very volatile token. But what's really interesting is that, as you can see, we achieved a very high price after the listing on CoinMarketCap, and then we went down from there. Basically, as you can see, we've been going down, and now we are trading more or less sideways. If we zoom in on the last month, we see that we are actually down overall. We are stabilizing on this level, that we are basically very stable on this level. And if you look on the 7-day chart, we actually see that we've been going down. Yes, that's not very bullish, but I think it's a very good setup if you are, for example, trying to make money from when the coin will be listed on Binance, for example, which is gonna happen very soon. And normally Binance is the very first of the apps that normally lists a token, and then maybe we're gonna even have COINBASE after that. So these are all catalysts that might change the direction of the token. So in this case, we are trading sideways, actually going down. But if we are gonna get listed everywhere, I'm pretty sure that that will lead to a massive spike, and we are gonna even break above all-time high. At the moment, I'm just looking at the fact that this coin is actually just a few weeks old. We're not even talking about months here. This is something that really has got a lot of potential. It is now following what the market is doing now. The whole market at the time of recording is actually trading sideways, more or less going up and down a little bit, but mostly going down. And it's basically all led by Bitcoin that is now suffering. But then there are gonna be massive catalysts for this token. Obviously, is not listed everywhere, and I'm pretty sure that that will lead to an incredible price spike, and that's why I'm still holding. Now, for complete transparency, I have million token in my portfolio. I took profit around $100, not when the coin was dropping down, but when the coin was going up. So before actually we hit the $200 mark, and that was actually a great profit for me. I made about 250%, but that's not meaning that I sold everything. In reality, I kept basically 50% of my initial position, which is a lot of money actually. Thinking back on it, it's basically already more money that I actually invested at the beginning. So I'm keeping that, and I want to keep it for the long run. I really think this token is potentially gonna be so much bigger than, for example, Dogecoin, for example, other coins that now, okay, obviously they have a lot of following, but if you think that Dogecoin can be printed and it's incredibly inflationary, like every year they print a lot of Dogecoins and they put it in the market, obviously to raise money, but in this case, this is not gonna be possible. They have 1 million tokens, and that's it. It cannot be printed anymore. And remember that I will make new video updates when more news on million token comes out, so that you're always up to date. And if you want to know more news on million token, click on this video. The video on the screen right now are more news on million token. So click on the video and I'll see you there.